Hello, it's part 2 basketball class event of Hearthstone. In the last video, there was a slight problem. I ran out of memory, so I had to fix that up because I have too many stuff on my tablet. And Hearthstone takes a lot of gigabytes. It's like 1.897 gigabytes. It is a lot. So, yeah. I'm gonna need to... So, the video got cut off. So, I'm just gonna finish everything I had to do. And then the last video, everything I got was a pack opening. So, I'm just gonna open the pack. Okay, I know about that. I already opened the pack. Oops. On accident, I think I opened the pack. And it didn't tell me. So I'm gonna have to check that. I really hope there wasn't a legendary. Okay, rare. Okay, all of them are really poop. Holy moly! Oh, flippin' macaroni! It's a golden! Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's not that bad. Yeah, that's somewhat good. Okay, rare. All of those cards were actually pretty bad. That one, the 3/3, somewhat good. I don't know what that card does. Okay, I have 2 minutes. Okay. So I think that's gonna be the end of the video. So, yeah. It's gonna be the end. Let's check what I got. Never mind. Okay, bye everyone. Like, subscribe, and see you later. Peace out.